students. Today I am presenting session number 19 for BSc 3rd semester physics subject as prescribed by Rani Chennamma University. Here in this session we study about dynamics of charged particles. That is, if a particle is charged and its motion we are going to have, and in the presence of electric field. So in this session, energy acquired during the motion of charged particle in uniform transverse electric field is studied. The learning objective of this session is to find the energy acquired during the motion of charged particle in uniform transverse electric field. So prerequisites of this session means what you should know before you go through this session is the basics of electric field on charged particles and the energy of particle. Here the motion of the charged particle in uniform transverse electric field is studied. Here two plates of, that is positive plate and negative plate of the electric field is taken, considered, and the distance between these two plates is d. E represents the direction of the electric field. Here the uniform electric field is perpendicular to the direction of its initial velocity. So Ey represents the electric field in y direction. Because it is applied in y direction, then there is no direction of electric field flow in x direction. And Ey is equal to V by d, where V is potential difference between two plates. The force on a charged particle is equal to Q into Ey along y-axis. As force is along the field, that is along y-axis, initial velocity of the particle Vx is not affected and remains constant. If electron travels a distance x along x-axis in the field, then its time t is equal to x by Vx. Let it be equation 1. The velocity gained by the particle is Vy equal to Qey by m into x by Vx, that is the time. Let it be equation 2. The displacement along y-axis is y is equal to ut plus half at square, that is the direction is the flow in motion is in y direction, that is it is taken as y equal to uyt plus half at square, and uy is equal to 0. So y equal to half at square, which is equal to half, in place of a acceleration is Qey by m and t is replaced by x by Vx. So y is equal to 1 by 2m Qey x square by Vx square, equation 3. Here y is equal to ax square, general expression, and here a is equal to 1 by 2m into Qey by Vx square is constant and it represents the equation of parabola. Thus, the direction of motion is charged due to the field at any instant t. If the inclination of the direction of the motion to the x-axis is phi, then from equation 3 we have tan phi is equal to dy by dx, that is differentiation of equation y with respect to x, we will get tan phi equal to Qey by mx square into x. Let it be equation 5. But the particle remains in the field for a distance L, the length of the plate. Therefore, put x equal to L in the above equation. Therefore, y1 is equal to Qey by 2m Vx square into L square. After traversing the field, the direction of the particle is charged through an angle theta, but phi equal to theta and x is equal to L. So tan theta is equal to Qey by mx square into L. Let it be equation 6. If distance between screen and end of plate, then the displacement y2 along y-axis is y2 equal to L tan theta. So the total displacement is given by y equal to y1 plus y2. Thus total displacement y is equal to, substituting the value of y1 and y2, you will get q ey l square by 2m x vx square into bracket 1 plus 2l by l, where capital L represents the length of the plate and such a deflected electron beam when falls on a screen makes visible small luminous spots. This is the principle of cathode ray oscilloscope. So, by the end of this session, you are able to give the equation, that is energy acquired during the motion of the charged particle in uniform transverse electric field, and the calculation for the displacement. You are able to answer the questions like uniform electric field, 1 electron volt, velocity, kinetic energy, and give the expression for kinetic energy. You are also able to answer some multiple choice questions like the maximum force acted on charged particle moving across magnetic field when V and B are perpendicular to each other, that is potential difference and magnetic field are perpendicular to each other. The path described by the charged particle in a transverse uniform electric field is a parabola. According to the equation of parabola, you got this. So, the path described by the charged particle in a transverse uniform electric field is a parabola. Motion of charged particle in uniform transverse electric field deflects principle is used in cathode ray oscilloscope. The electric field between the plates of cathode ray oscilloscope is 1.2 into 10 raised to 4 Newton per coulomb. What deflection will an electron experience if it enters a right angles to the field with the kinetic energy of 2000 electron volt? The plates are 1.5 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter long. So, by substituting the values in the equation, you will get answer as 0.34 meter. The value of the electric field intensity when the proton has acceleration equal to the acceleration due to gravity is 1.02 nanovolt. So, for this detailed study, you can refer the list of reference books given.